105, traffic rolling for you, Twin Cessna, remaining on Cessna, we can strike over the option.
Introducing the all-new Raider SCL.
First of its kind. There's never been anything like it before. Exclusive, uncommon, reserved for a select few. The all-new Raider SCL, a true factory custom with a level of style and quality rarely seen on a production motorcycle. The Raider SCL will provide a limited group of discerning riders the opportunity to own a custom cruiser with authentic high-end components. Ready to roll off the showroom looking like it spent months in the custom shop. The vibrant blazing orange metal flake paint is unlike anything ever produced on a Star or any other motorcycle. And that's just one way this beautiful custom stands apart from the crowd. Themed graphics on the tank and front and rear fenders perfectly complement the paint scheme, accented even more by the holographic Star Custom Line badge on top of the tank. And these custom-made performance machine wheels, created exclusively for the Raider SCL, match perfectly to the pulley and upper belt guard. Custom parts that would cost thousands all on their own. The genuine leather seat with accent stitching shows an uncommon attention to detail. Each Raider SCL will feature a hang tag informing customers that this and every other seat will develop its own unique character. No two seats will be alike. Even the small touches, like stainless steel mesh clutch and brake lines, as well as throttle cables, add to the breathtaking beauty of this amazing new cruiser. And adding even more to its exclusivity, only 500 Raider SCLs will be built. Beyond its exceptional styling, every SCL factory custom comes with the quality and reliability built into every Star cruiser. The all-new Raider from the Star Custom line. This is what can happen when you give a supermodel a makeover.